Hi there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about types of joints in the human body. So let's start our topic with introduction. Joints are anatomical connection between bones that allow movement and provide support to the skeletal system. They are classified based on their structure and function. Now let's talk about the structural classification of joints. Structurally, they can be grouped on the basis of the material that binds the bones and whether a joint cavity is present or not. So on the basis of these things, their joints are fibrous joints, cartilaginous joint, synovial joint. Starting our topic with the fibrous joint. Fibrous joints are bones are connected by dense fibrous tissue. Then these type of joints are called as fibrous joint. They are mostly immovable, like synarthrotic. Examples include sutures in the skull and syndesmosis between tibia and fibula, and gomphosis are the tooth in socket joint. Now let's talk about the cartilaginous joint. They are connected when bones are connected by cartilage. The joint is called as cartilaginous joint. They allow limited movement, amphiarthrotic. Examples of them include synchondrosis, that is epiphyseal plates in growing bones, and symphysis, that is pubic symphysis. Now let's talk about the synovial joints. Synovial joints are when the bones are connected by a joint capsule filled with synovial fluid. Then that type of joint is called a synovial joint. They are freely movable and they are also called as diarthrotic. Examples of them include ball and socket joint, that is present in shoulder and hip, hinge joint, that is present in knee and elbow, pivot joint, that is present in atlas and axis of spine. Then there is saddle, that is present in thumb, condylite joint, that is present in wrist, and gliding, that is in intercarpal joints. Now let's talk about the functional classification of joints. Functionally, they are categorized by their degree of movement. The first type of joints are immovable joints, like example is suture. The second type of joint is amphiarthrosis, that are slightly movable joint, and the example is symphysis. And then we have diarthrosis joint, that are freely movable joint. The examples of them include synovial joints. Now let's talk about the synovial joint features. An overview. Synovial joints are the most complex and include these unique components. The first component is articular cartilage that covers bone surface to reduce friction. Then they have joint cavity, that is space containing synovial fluid for lubrication, and synovial membrane that produces synovial fluid is also present there. Then it has another component or feature, that is ligament that stabilize the joint, and bursae and tendon sheets are also present there that reduce friction between the moving parts. So this was all about the types of joints in human body, and we overview the features or important parts of the synovial joint. So this was all about. If you liked our video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you for watching.